In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Batman Arkham VR on Oculus Quest 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to play Batman Arkham VR, which came out around 2017, and also how to play Batman Arkham Shadow, which is the newest entry in VR games. So, first, if you want to play Batman Arkham Shadow, this is actually going to be much simpler because this game is natively available for the Meta Quest 3 and Meta Quest 3S, and all that you have to do is purchase the game through the Meta Store. There is no secret to this. You don't need to have a PC running the game, and as soon as you purchase it directly through the Meta Store, you will be able to play it right away with your Meta Quest or Oculus Quest headset. Now, if you want to play Batman Arkham VR specifically, which is the older game, and it's more of a tech demo, it is a very short game, then this will take a little bit of setup because you will have to connect your Oculus Quest to your PC. Your PC needs to run the game and you will connect your headset. So first, download the MetaQuest Link application. If you don't have it already, look for the MetaQuest app and download it. Once you have it downloaded, the next thing that you need is some way to connect the Oculus Quest headset to your PC. This can be done in two ways. The main one, and the one that I would recommend, is using a link cable. You can use any high-quality USB-C cable, but Oculus does sell one that is made for this purpose. So it is going to be the link cable, which connects your Oculus Quest 3 to your PC. Alternatively, you can use AirLink, which is a wireless technology to connect your headset to your PC, but if your internet connection is not the best, this can introduce a lot of latency, so I wouldn't recommend this option unless you really like the convenience of now having a cable. So once you open the MetaQuest Link application that you downloaded earlier, you will see the option to add a new headset. At the left, you choose Quest 3, then you choose the connection method, again between cable or wireless. Cable is more reliable, so it's the one that I would recommend, and you will be given instructions on what to do. So in this example here, AirLink. So you have to go over to Settings, Systems, and enable Quest Link. So on your headset screen, make sure that you enable Quest Link. Once you see this icon to indicate that the headset was properly connected, then you will be good to go. Now you can download Steam Link or Steam VR directly on your headset and launch it. Inside of the Steam view on your headset, you will be able to download Batman Arkham VR, so you can purchase the game, and once it is downloaded, use Steam Link or Steam VR directly on your headset to play. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make high quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.